with a workshop like tonight with tapas, you get a little better idea how they are constructed and the idea behind them. And also it's quite interesting here that we pair them with sherry, which is a fantastic wine for this little bit a harsher taste. You have acidity and you have spices that comes up, and the sherry takes very well care of that. I really like tapas. It's a fun dish. It's easy to eat. You can eat it with your hands, and you can see the ingredients, so you can see how it's put together. And also there are quite a lot of intriguing flavors. You have freshness, you have dried fish, for example, you have cured onions, or you have something with a little bit of heat, pepper, etc. So there's a lot of things going together, so it works in most areas. You can have it in the middays, you can have it in the afternoon or in the night. I think Swedes love Spanish wines, and we have done for a long time. Of course, it might be from most of the more known regions like Rioja or Cava, but there are a number of other wines to be found from many regions. Madrid is a very good example with the Garnacha sherry, which is a little bit forgotten or misperceived. People see it as a little heavy and sweet, but you have all the freshness and the umami in the sherry. It's a fantastic food wine. So I think Spain is coming back on a big front when it comes to wine. Also, the cuisine is quite likable in Sweden. There are a lot of Spanish restaurants, lots of people from Sweden coming to Spain. I think Spain has a lot to offer as Scandinavian Swedes.